East African mindset, breaking news. Somalia, Ethiopia high-level talks. Somali President Hassan Sheikh Mohamud arrived in Addis Ababa on Friday for a one-day working visit, where he held high-level talks with Ethiopian Prime Minister Abiy Ahmed. According to a statement from the Somali presidency, the meeting focused on strengthening bilateral relations between Somalia and Ethiopia, with particular emphasis on security cooperation, political engagement, trade, and regional affairs. The two leaders held in-depth discussions on the security situation in the Horn of Africa and explored the joint role both countries can play in promoting peace, stability, and long-term development across the region. President Hassan Sheikh Mohamud and Prime Minister Abiy Ahmed underscored the importance of continued cooperation based on mutual respect, good neighborliness, and the protection of each country's sovereignty, noting that genuine partnership is essential for sustainable development and lasting political stability. In a statement shared on his X, formerly Twitter, account, Prime Minister Abiy Ahmed described the meeting as a productive working lunch, saying the discussions built on progress made over the past year and reaffirmed a shared commitment to deeper partnership, regional stability, and development. The visit comes at a time when Somali opposition leaders are holding political meetings in Kismayo, involving the Jubaland and Puntland administrations, to discuss national political issues and the future direction of Somalia's state-building and governance process. East African mindset, delivering trusted regional news with context. Follow, like, subscribe, share.